Hello there. The weekend's weather wasn't too bad. There was a lot of dry weather around. The best of the sunshine was on Saturday, but we got a new area of low pressure working its way in again across England and Wales, and that'll stick around for the first part of this upcoming week. So the next few days look wet and windy for many. We'll feel quite cool with that, but midweek onwards, high pressure builds in. That'll settle things down, turn dry, and we should see quite a lot of sunshine around. But certainly on Monday up until about Tuesday, it looks like England and Wales will bear the brunt of some very wet weather falling on saturated ground. So we could see a renewed risk of localised flooding in places. So it's worth sticking tuned to the weather forecast for latest updates. This is the culprit, this area of low pressure, which will almost grind to a halt across the UK as it bumps up against high pressure over Scandinavia. So heavy rain will be persistent, certainly from parts of East Anglia through northern and eastern England, the North Midlands, North Wales. Anywhere in this zone could see a renewed risk of some flooding. Generally dry, breezy and cool to the north of it, but although it's going to be breezy across the south, it'll brighten up a bit and it'll feel a little bit warmer. 17 or 18 degrees is possible across the far southeast. But if you're under that cloud and rain, it's going to feel disappointingly cool with temperatures around 10 to 12 degrees. It stays very wet through central, northern and eastern England for Monday night, and it continues to stay breezy across eastern areas. Further north and west under clearer skies, it'll turn fairly cool, but double figure values again for large parts of England and Wales. That area of low pressure, only very slow to clear eastwards during Tuesday, will still bring some rain and strong winds to North Sea coast of England and some rain down into East Anglia and the far southeast. The further north and west that you are, high pressure's building in, so a lot of dry and sunny weather here and feeling warmer, 16 or 17 degrees in the warmest spots, far southwest of England, maybe the central belt of Scotland, but again feeling cool, the strong winds across eastern England. By Wednesday, this area of high pressure will start to exert its force across the country. It's still stubborn to clear from the east and southeast, that area of low pressure, so stay quite breezy on Wednesday here, with further showers likely across the far southeast, but the vast majority of the country will see a dry day with plenty of sunshine. Those temperatures again reaching 13 to around 15 or 16 degrees. Then for Thursday, it looks like high pressure really dominates the scene, pushes that area of low pressure away. Many places will be dry, but the winds will be lighter, so it could start quite chilly. There will be a little bit of mist and fog around here and there, but generally a dry day with good spells of sunshine, perhaps a bit of fair weather cloud just bubbling up into the afternoon period, and the chance of some thicker cloud pushing into western areas later on with a strengthening breeze. But those temperatures range from 14 to 17 Celsius, pretty pleasant for early October. Friday looks fine as well, but our area of high pressure pulls away as we head into the following weekend and beyond, and it looks like low pressure will take over once again, so we'll be turning wetter and windier. But you notice our winds coming in from the southwest. I don't think it'll be particularly cool, with temperatures around or just below the seasonal norm, but you can see it's an unsettled picture as we head into the outlook period. But in the short term, do stay tuned to the forecast for all this heavy rain, which could cause some localised flooding by the end of Monday and into Tuesday. Take care.